Welcome back to Car Craze, the place where cars come alive. Today's spotlight is on a compact hatchback that continues to surprise year after year at the 2026 Kia Picanto. Small in size yet packed with personality, this city-friendly car blends practicality, modern features, and a refreshed design. If you're searching for an affordable, fuel-efficient, and stylish daily driver, this one deserves your attention. Let's dive straight into the details. Exterior front, 048 2 o'clock, starting at the front. The 2026 Picanto showcases a sharper and more confident design. The signature tiger nose grille, a hallmark of Kia's design language, looks more refined and slightly wider. Flanking the grille are redesigned LED headlights that bring a modern, aggressive vibe to this compact car. Daytime running lights add a premium touch, making the car stand out even in daylight. The front bumper has been sculpted to improve aerodynamics while giving the car a sportier stance. Air intakes are more defined, giving the impression of a performance-oriented hatchback, even though it remains focused on efficiency. Exterior A side, 2 o'clock A330, moving to the side profile. The Picanto maintains its compact proportions while adding subtle upgrades. New alloy wheel designs enhance its urban appeal, and depending on the trim, you can get stylish two-tone finishes. The character lines running along the doors create a sense of motion, even when the car is stationary. Body-colored mirrors with integrated turn signals improve both aesthetics and functionality. The short wheelbase and tight dimensions make it ideal for navigating crowded streets and tight parking spots. Overall, the side profile reflects a balance between practicality and youthful styling. Exterior rear, 330 A440, at the rear, the 2026 Picanto continues to impress with updated styling elements. The taillights have been redesigned with a more modern LED signature, giving the car a distinctive look at night. A subtle roof spoiler adds a sporty edge, while the rear bumper features a cleaner and more structured design. Despite its compact size, the rear design does not feel basic or outdated. Every detail contributes to a cohesive and attractive finish. DRS's Sedilla interior, 440A640, step inside, and the Picanto surprises with a well-thought-out cabin. The dashboard layout is clean and user-friendly, featuring a central touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard on most trims, ensuring seamless integration with your devices. The seats are comfortable, offering decent support for both short commutes and longer drives. Higher trims include premium materials and contrast stitching, adding a touch of sophistication. Space is intelligently used, with clever storage compartments throughout the cabin. Rear seat space is adequate for passengers, though best suited for city journeys. The digital instrument cluster provides essential information in a clear and modern format. Overall, the interior blends simplicity with functionality, delivering excellent value for its segment. ASTMI DRS's Sedilla Performance, 640A810. Under the hood, the 2026 Picanto focuses on efficiency rather than outright power. It typically comes with a small yet reliable engine, ideal for daily commuting. The lightweight design of the car ensures responsive handling and easy maneuverability. Whether paired with the manual or automatic transmission, the driving experience remains smooth and predictable. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and imperfections in urban roads effectively. Fuel economy is one of its strongest points, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious drivers. This is a car built for practicality, offering dependable performance for everyday use. By degrees price, 810 A9 o'clock. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Picanto remains one of the most affordable options in its class. Prices vary depending on the market and trim level, but it stays within reach for first-time buyers and those seeking an economical second car. Low running costs, excellent fuel efficiency, and Kia's reliability make it a smart investment. Negation Outro, 9 o'clock A10 o'clock. The 2026 Kia Picanto proves that great things can come in small packages. It offers a stylish design, practical features, efficient performance, and affordability all wrapped onto one compact hatchback. If city driving is your priority and you want a car that delivers value without compromise, the Picanto is definitely worth considering. That's all for today's review on Car Craze. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. See you in the next one.